Hi children, let us continue with our worksheet 2.4. Okay, in 2.4, they have told you that there are some sections. First section A is, they have given some numerals to us. And we have to represent the given numerals on an international place value chart. And the numerals are already given in the form of international system, according to international system of numeration. And we have to represent the numerals on an international place value chart. After representation, what we have to do? We have to write the number names of the following, or we have to write the numeral in words. We have to write the numeral in words. So we have to do two things. First one, given numerals has to be represented in international place value chart. Secondly, we have to write in words. Write them in words. Okay. So let us see what to do under. So let me take, there are 6 questions actually. Teacher is taking only 2 questions. So remaining questions you have to try it as a homework for you. Okay. Try yourself. If you are not getting, you can ask the teacher itself. Okay. Then teacher will clear it. So 5 and 6 only teacher is taking. 5 is given like this, 245, 883, 279 given. So by seeing the digits itself, we can understood that the numeral is given according to international system of numeration. Is it sure? Because every place has 3 digits. Every period has 3 digits. Okay. Already place value chart is given in the textbook itself. They have given the periods. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Then they have taken place values. In ones period, there are 3 places. Which are the places? Ones, tens and hundreds. And in thousands period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Similarly, in millions period, million, 10 million, 100 million. Then we have to represent the given numeral on this chart. How to do? We have to represent each digit in its own places. Here we know 9. 9 represents which one? Ones digit. So write 9 under ones digit. Then here 7 tens. Then 2 hundreds. 3 thousand. 8 10,000. This 8 100,000. This 5 million. 4 10 million. 2 100 million. Then they told us to write the number name or write it in words. So what we do? Take this number together. You read this number together. 245 has to be written as 245. Then instead of comma, write the period. What is a period in singular form? Million only. Million. 245 million. Next one is 883 together. 883. Instead of comma, 1000. Then next 3 digits together. 279. 279. Similarly, sixth one. 161, 417, 530. First, let us represent the digits on a international place value chart. So, already understood to you. Start from your right side, move to your left side. 0, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1. How to write in words? 161 together. 161 instead of comma, million. 417 instead of comma, 1000. Then 530. 161. 161 million. 417,530. That is the required one. Okay. Let us move to the next section. B, C, D, etc. So, 5 and 6, we have already written the given number in the international place value chart. Already we have represented given numbers on our place value chart. After representation, we have written their number names also. Number names or the numeral in words. Writing the numeral in words. Both are same. So, how to read and write already understood to you. In international system of numeration, every period has 3 digits. Everything is understood to you. So, it's very easy to read the number in international place value system. Because we need to consider only 3 only. That's why 245, million. 883,000. Then 279. Similarly here 161 million. 470,000. Then 530. Okay. Is it clear? Remaining 4 questions, try yourself. Okay. So, our second question is B. What is B question? Write the numerals and place comma appropriately. Okay. What is it given? Yes, the same. Okay. Write the numerals and place the commas correctly. Place the commas in appropriate places. So, after getting the question only, we can say wherever we need commas. Commas are given for the periods. Commas are given for the periods actually. Let us see the first one. Second one is actually teacher is answering. First one as a homework for you. Second one, 73 crore 5 lakh 85,305 given to us. Teacher told you commas are given for the place periods. Commas are given for the periods actually. So read this one. 73. Understood? 73. Instead of crore, what we can write? Instead of crore, what we can write? Comma. Next one. 5 lakh only. Lakhs place what we can write? Here we can put comma. Instead of lakh, we can put comma. In between 5 is there. But we need 2 digits in lakh spirit. We need 2 digits in lakh spirit. So how do we write? When we write 50, it is read as 50. We need only 5. So what we do? We will write 05. Comma is for lakh. Next one, 85,000. 85 you can write. Instead of 1000, what we can do? Comma. Then what is given? 305. 305 is 305. Finished. Next question is 85 lakh 2 given. So 85. Teacher wrote 85. 80. Instead of lakh, we can put comma. Is there anything given in 1000 spirit? No, digits are not given in 1000 spirit. So what we do to fill? We can fill it by 00. Then hundreds is missing, tens is missing, but ones digit is given. What is it? 2. So we can write the required number as like this. This is read as 85 lakh 2. Next, fourth one is also homework for you. Fifth one, 888 million. Teacher told you periods. Instead of periods, what we can put? Commas while writing numerals. Okay. So 888, how can we write? 888. Instead of million, comma. Then next they have given 800,000. So 800 we can write and comma. 88 only given. The hundreds digit is missing actually. So we can fill 100 digit by 0. Then 88. That is the required number. Here also the same international numbers given. System of numbers. 100 million. 100. Then instead of million, comma. 200,000. Instead of 1000, comma. 5 only given. 100 digits, 10th digit are missing. So how do we fill? By writing zeros. Then last digit, ones digit is given as 5. It is finished. So only 2 questions remains. Complete the same in your notebook. Okay, worksheet enough. Okay, let us move to next question. Section C. Next we are moving to section C. In section C, rearrange commas according to international place value system. We just need to interchange which one? This commas only we need to arrange. Okay, remaining things we didn't want to do anything. We have to convert this numerals into international system of numerals by keeping commas correctly. Okay, so how to place commas in international system of numeration? In international system of numeration, we have 3 periods. We have 3 periods. 1 period, thousand spirit, million spirit. And each period has 3 digits. Each period has 3 digits. Total how many digits required? 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9 digits are needed. So we have to start from our right hand side. Then let us move to our left hand side. Okay. So let us start. First period is one spirit. One spirit, how many digits are needed in one spirit? 3 digits are needed. So already 8, 2, 4 together we can write. 8, 2, 4 together. Then a comma. Then you take the next 3 digits. Next 3 digits you take. Which are the next 3 digits? 6, 8, 6. Write it together. 6, 8, 6. Okay. Next count it. Which are the next 3? 9, 7, 8. Write it together. Comma 8, 9, 7. This is the required answer. We have to rearrange commas according to which system? International system. International system is very easy because only 3 periods. Each period has 3 digits. Finish. Similarly, the second question. Actually, this third one. Second, fourth, sixth and eighth one are homework. Okay. So, third one is first place has no change 283 because in both system of numeration, the first period is one period and it consists of 3 digits. Okay, so there is no problem arises 283 correct. Next you count the 3 digits 5, 4, 5. So write 5, 4, 5 together. Then a comma on your left side. Then which are the remaining digits? 9, 8, 0. Write together. 9, 8, 0. Similarly, this question, fifth question. 143 together we can consider. Then on the left side put a comma. Next 3 digits are 0, 9, 9. Write together 0, 9, 9. 0, 9, 9. On the left side put a comma. Then which one coming? 2,